One always needs somebody like a Praveen who can literally pull you out of the bed.
Hey guys, warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I am Maahek and today I'm doing a healthy dessert smoothie. Before I take you to the recipe, request you to please subscribe the channel, hit that bell icon so that you get intimation of all our videos. We have more than 600 videos which can really help you to achieve your fitness goals. As you know, it's 2021 and I'm sure you all might be having goals for yourself. So let's start today. So let's quickly go and check the recipe. Craving for dessert? Here's your healthy dessert smoothie. Ingredients: cocoa powder 1 teaspoon, unsweetened peanut butter 1 tablespoon, stevia powder 1 teaspoon, coconut milk unsweetened 100 ml, banana 1 medium size, and some ice cubes. Peanut butter 1 tablespoon unsweetened, stevia powder 1 teaspoon. You can also use honey for the same, and last but not the least, cocoa powder and some ice cubes. So 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder and some ice cubes. And our healthy dessert smoothie is ready, and you can drizzle some cocoa powder on it. So our healthy dessert smoothie is ready. Two quick benefits of the same. First, cocoa helps you to reduce high blood pressure as it contains nitric oxide. Second, polyphenols helps to get your brain much more clear vision. That means increases blood circulation, which increases your overall brain function and healthy heart. Lastly, before I end the video, I want to tell you that I'm using a Whipsip Blender and I'm using various other ingredients. The description of everything is being given in the link below, so you can check the description box. You will get to know what equipments I'm using, what products I'm using, and you can buy from our store. Thank you so much and lots of love.